Hello everyone, in this today video we're going to see how to deploy Ollama on AWS EC2 with GPU enabled, and we are going to integrate with VS Code continue extension. So this is the block that you can follow. We are going to deploy Ollama on GPU backed EC2 instances, and we'll connect it to VS Code with continue extension. Nginx authentication we are skipping it for now. And this is the architecture you can see: VS Code, public IP, and Nginx auth, Ollama server, NVIDIA GPU. Uh, so you will need a AWS account. We are going to deploy a G6.x large instance. Let's create one G6.x large instance. So by default, in your AWS account, the G6 GPU level instances will you will not able to create. So you have to raise support for that, and you have to increase your quota. Then after that, you will able to create. So like if you want to give a support, then you just click on support and then just create one use one case for that. Okay, now we'll going back to the launch an instance. Let's give it a name, and I'm just giving a ubuntu. Then scroll down and then select the instance type. G4, is it the G4 G6.x large? G6.x large. Okay, G6.x large, just select this one, and we are going to proceed without a key pair, and then network settings, just allow both. We are going to edit security group after creating instance, because we are going to load some special port. Then auto assign public IP. This is by default. You see 258 GB storage, two volumes are attached. And if you scroll down here, yeah, I think we are good. Just verify one small thing here, and then click on launch instance. Then connect to EC2 instance. Let it create first. Let's enable a port inbound rule in security group. So for now, I'm allowing all traffic, all TCP ports from anywhere. Then click on save rules. You can allow a specific port as well, which we are going to expose. Then come back to the instance, and then if it's created, then we connect it and we'll install a NVIDIA driver because it's a GPU instances. So it require a driver as well to install Ollama because we are going to run Ollama in that. Establishing connection. Then just check this command that the GPU is available or not, and also switch on sudo. So you can see NVIDIA SMI not found. If I like type with the sudo command as well, then it will say NVIDIA SMI not found. So just clear the screen and then back to the block. Just update the repository first. Update all packages and then install the driver with this command. So once it's done, just reboot the instance. Let it reboot and then try to connect again. Now check the driver is working or not. Can see we can see our GPU here and showing the status, temperature, memory. Now go back to the block and then now install Ollama. So we have successfully installed a driver for our NVIDIA GPU. Now let's install. Ollama in EC2. So it's installing and downloading Ollama in EC2. Then you can run any model on the EC2 instances. So there is a Ollama documentation here. You can run. You can integrate with the Claude as well. There are adults models as well. Qwen 3 quarter GLM 4.7. So today I will be using this Llama 3. Just pull the Llama 3 in EC2. Let me increase some storage because I can see there's no such file or directory because the storage is full. Okay, so I just successfully increased the storage of EBS block and NVIDIA GPU installed. Ollama is installed in my system and EC2. Now let's pull the Llama 3 model. Now pull Llama 3. So this will just actually pull from repository of Ollama to your EC2 instance and run Ollama as a systemd service. So when the Ollama is installed, it will just create one service which is running in background. So to run it publicly, we have to just edit the Ollama host to 0.0.0.0. So let me first stop the service of Ollama. It's saying running. Let's stop it. Then we'll edit the systemd service. Okay. Now just open with any text editor and then add this parameter which I shared, environment Ollama host. Then just save it and then start a Ollama service again. Now if you check the port of where Ollama is exposed, so it's saying it's enabled for all. Okay, now if you want to add authentication system, then let me know in the comments. I will create a separate video for that. Then just now let's configure continue extension in your VS Code to use EC2 as Ollama. So here is my VS Code. Let's install this extension. Continuous open source AI code agent. So now click on trust publish and install. So this is actually an extension by providing from VS Code, where you can run your AI agent by just integrating your local Ollama or like any agentic AI tool you want to integrate, like Claude or Kiro, anything like that. So just need to edit your config file, then you will able to use that model in your VS Code. It's installed. Now let me open a config file. VS Code EC2. Now it's affected IDE. Just want to open a config file. Control Shift P. Continue. Open config. Okay. Control Shift P and then continue. Just search for that. Mm, open settings. Open window. Open this device Discord. Workers on. Continue. Let's open on new video. New window. Okay. So okay, now I think it's open on another window, but let's close that and then just click on here. So in the left hand side you can see there is a icon available of continue extension. Just click on that and It's saying to create account, then purchase credits. We'll be not going to do anything like that. Just click on this select model. If you like extend this bar, left side bar, then you will get this option. Click on select model, then click on add chat model, then click on provider as a Ollama, then install provider at saving, then click on auto detect, then this will update your config file. Let me just open if I was able to. Okay, my config file, I can edit my config file here, then edit the config file. Just paste this here. Llama 3, our model name is, let me check the Llama 3 model name. So I think I haven't pulled any model. Oh, Llama list. Okay, Llama 3 latest. So this my model name. Just copy this and then edit with your model name, provider Ollama, and we are just, you can give any name, Llama 3, and default model is this. And save this config file and also edit the public IP as well. Just copy your public IP of EC2 instance and then just paste here, then save it, then click on connect. Now it will take some time. Okay, cool. I think it's integrated now. Now, hello, can you create sample HTML page? So it provided me a sample HTML page. So it's directly hitting the API of my, which I've provided the API base of my Ollama of EC2, and it will giving a response from there. Okay. Now you can use your this local ID agentic AI, you can say local content extension. You can like give a request and you can fetch a request from there. So that's how you can use your Ollama in VS Code, of which is deployed on EC2. So yeah, that's it for today videos. If you really like this video, then give a thumbs up. And if you want where I can add authentication with Nginx, so let me know in the comment. I will publish a video on that. So now you have a your private AI coding assistant. So yeah, I will meet you in the another video. Till then, goodbye.